my beautiful audience. First of all, wishing you all a happiest love month and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Shanu's Tale. First of all, cheers to all the singles, the taken, the betrayed, plus the broken. Dear listeners, lend me your ears for 5 minutes. So, I'm gonna tell you a story when I met a guy. Found him to be special and specially different. Different from all other boys in this world because he was quite similar to the thoughts of mine. In an era where everyone is running after beauty, the color of the skin and wants to find a perfectly shaped body, I found someone who apart from all this was in search of a pure soul. The soul that was created to be loved and one who would enjoy pouring a lot of care and emotion in his cup of heart. I remember how effortlessly we could realize the science of universe to bring us together. Hashtag forever. So slowly I started losing my grip and finally I fell for him. And so did he. So when his hands holded mine, his warmth always melted my feelings. Even a single tear he shed brought millions in my eyes and the smallest laugh he had used to burst me out of laughter. Those were the days of lovehood. I wanting to love him as the sum of Romeo, Juliet, Laila, Majnu, Inder, Saru and all the love heroes I ever came across, and he wanting to be the choco chips to my cupcake. Spending hours together didn't bore any of us. We enjoyed each other's company. I loved rumpling his crazy hair, touching those softer than cottony cheeks, listening to his beating heart that could beat even faster when I kept my hand. And finally, looking into his eyes that knew only my face. Actually, I felt safe revealing all my secrets in front of him and he shared all his highs and lows with me. Things were running smooth. He used to come all the way from a city to mine to just see my excited face and I used to make all sorts of excuses at home to spend a little more time with him. Although this happened not so frequently, but yet, when he used to confirm of our meeting, I could not stop the butterflies in my stomach to run out of patience. At times, he used to surprise me, bending on knees, holding a chocolate that was obviously less sweeter than his kiss on my forehead. The greed of loving each other more than anyone has ever loved someone didn't satisfy either of us. But, all that glitters is not gold. This phrase hit me hard when all of a sudden a mask fell down. The mask he was wearing to hide the devil inside him. Since fakeness is full of perfection and reality is full of imperfections. So on a checklist of a healthy relationship, something was missing. Some imperfections. Because in playing Mr. and Miss Perfect, so many things went unnoticed. That is, his ignorance, his disloyalty, the commitments he ran away from and the confessions he never made out of fear. And then I thought this relation in a way was changing the definition of love that says, look at your imperfect partner in a perfect way. Love meant growing together, becoming a better person, and here everything seemed so constant. I was missing some imperfections that would perhaps be more enjoyable than being Mr. Perfect and Miss Perfect. Life is imperfectly balanced. Dreams get imperfectly true. That's why those decreasing distances and increasing differences started bothering me. Now his frequent visits to my city is actually changing something. Now I have started hating this bond with no fights, no arguments and no proper disagreement on any topic. Because when you fight, when you argue and when you disagree, only then you come to know whether he is able to accept you and whether you are ready to understand him or not. It seems like the relation has went too systematic to feel even as humans. Like robots are perfect, not humans. And then I learned that love is not about similarity, but rather it is about differences. Those are unacceptable by this world. What is acceptable by your partner? Your weirdest of activities, your flaws, your ups, your downs and everything else. So after experiencing these things in my dreams, I realized, actually I am not in search of a perfect person, but rather an imperfect one who would probably come on his knees and tell me, oops, sorry, I forgot to bring chocolates and flour, and then would pull me closer, kiss my forehead and say, I guess I haven't now. Hey everyone, so message for you all. Universe brings together similar people so that they can know they aren't meant for each other. It's okay to be broken, but staying like that forever is not. Even the law of attraction says opposite attracts, right? So fall for the different person and learn to respect their choices and accept their differences. And believe me, those differences are beautiful. So promise me you will love your imperfect partner in a perfect way. Instead of finding and searching for a perfect one, go for a real one this Valentine. This is for all the singles in waiting. Before expecting someone to understand you and accept you for the way you are, learn to accept yourself for what you are. Also, gift yourself something that you want to give to your lover and adore yourself the way you would adore your lover. So, fall in love with yourself this Valentine's. Thank you so much for watching my video, and do like, share, comment jitna kar sako, and then share it as much as possible, and subscribe to the Sharon's Tale. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Also, many of you must be new to my channel, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon.